You could tell how there was still texture. Redid everything. Sanded smooth. All the texture has been taken off of each individual part, and then it's been refinished and painted again. So yeah, the paint that I had on it before was all sanded off, including the texture, and now it's been refinished with a smooth finish, kind of like the front piece that I had up front. And let me show you guys that. So up here in the front of the truck, right here, this piece, what used to be black texture, and it wasn't done like the other pieces. It was actually sanded down first and then painted, and that's what I didn't do with the original pieces. The original pieces came out darker because it still had that texture and it was showing light in different angles a little bit differently, so it wasn't reflecting the light perfectly, and I just don't even like black texture, the feel of it anyway. It'll all sanded down smooth, and then it's going to turn out just like this metal bumper, this plastic piece, the grill. It's going to look a lot better, 100 times better than it did before. Really running out of daylight, so I'm going to get started now because we need all the daylight we can because it's winter time basically. And of course I'm about to get you that behind the scenes action right now. Let's get this mirror on. Just need to get one bolt over. I forget how I did this. I think this is the right mirror. Ultra careful with this, man. Here, can you get this bolt for me, please, man? Here you go. Woo! Oh my gosh, holy crap, that looks 10 times better. It matches so dang perfectly now. There we go, turn the exposure up a little bit. Happy Halloween, everybody, by the way. Alright, so let's get this. If this mirror actually had power, there'd be a cord coming through out here, and then I have to plug. Fully manual mirrors. Less to break, less to worry about, less of a price tag. I mean, I do live in a cold area, but I've never needed heated mirrors. My mirrors on this have never fogged up before. They're manual, as you can see. Try to hold this up and bolt her down. Bolt her downtown. All right, let's try to find out what we got going on. A long 10 mil for the... Hold her up. Ow! Holy crap, that looks 100 times better. Wait until you guys see this. Alright, we should be pretty much level there. Now tighten her down, let's see. I guess they look pretty good. Tighten her down a little bit, tighten her down. Yeah, that ought to do it right there. Put that little piece of petroleum in there. Do it. So now that we got that taken care of, what I'm going to do now? All right, so over here we got all of my handles all refinished as well. So what I'm going to do is get the gasket on, put the lock in it. Should be good to go. I think I got the lock. Gosh, dang, I think I left it on the other side. I also painted the gaskets as well, the sides of them. Yeah, let's get this on. See, I painted the sides of the gasket, so hopefully that looks good with the handles. Try not to disturb the insects right now. Get this show on the road. I think I got the locks somewhere over here. Here we go. Maybe I should have painted these locks as well. Alright, so I think the lock... Whoa, particle dust. Alright, let's get this sucker in there. I'm not sure how it goes. Here we go. Put that sucker right in. This part's not going to be too easy. Try to get this on there. Dang! There it is. Forgot the gasket. Alright, there we go. Good old gasket, push that through. Good gasket, I think I painted it on the right side, yeah. Pretty well. Alright, let's get this going. Ain't no going back now. Alright. We're so dark in there. A bit too easy if I... And then there's a second tab down here. There's a red tab for the lock and then the second yellow tab for the door handle. To get it both. Otherwise you're doomed. Oh, that was too easy. Oh, really it? Gosh damn it. Corky. Lord Voldemort. Gosh dang it, Goal America. Where you at when we need you? Where? Wasting my time. Gotta bolt her down, son. I see it. We got it, Crockett. Alright, so you want to be very careful with this. Gonna need a bigger sock. Alright. Hey, so far so good on this. The other side is right through here, I believe. Alright, cool. There it is. Winter chicken dinner tonight, guys. Let's do this. I definitely hear some deer around me somewhere. Not bother them too much. Where are we here? Hey! Emergency! Woo! Grasp it. Where? Yeah. Tighten this one down a little bit and then we should be good. Put everything back on. Try a little door mechanism here. Here we go. Alright, cool. Lock's working. Man, you guys have no... Oh my gosh, man. Shice. Sorry. Man, you guys have no idea. It was just bothering me for so long seeing these handles with the textured finish painted over. It was just so ugly, man. I was like, man, I'm losing hope, but... Figured I'd do you guys justice, do the truck justice, and refinish it. All right, what's next? Okay, so I think we got this right here. Hard to clean the backside a good bit. There's the backside if you guys want. Oh, we got some spiders nesting. Come on, guys. Come on, find a new home. Okay, there's the backside if you want to see that. Handle is there. Oh yeah, we got to boot the handle. Yeah, the handlebar. The handle cable goes, and now you got to feed it through the little freaking thing right here, and it's so difficult. Oh my. Oh. There goes my sack of food. All right, let's try this again one more time. Time, E minor, time, a little bit more reverb. There we go. Trick or treat, give me something good to eat. Oh, guys, we're about ready to push this thing on. Slam it on there. All right, get on there. You frickin' bad door. About to turn you into a trap door, you know. All right, there we go. Get on there, you bad door. Oh, I forgot to upgrade the speakers, man. Damn it, I was going to drive this thing to LA and get it upgraded. Well, guess we'll have to pull off the door again later. I love my sound system. I don't think I'm ever going to get a new head unit because I got satellite radio in there. I can plug my phone in, which I never do anymore since like high school. And it's pretty bassy, so yeah. For the old music that I listen to. Alright, let's get this on somehow. Fully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, yeah, we're good. We're good to go. Let's do this. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pardon me, sir. Oh man, I thought I saw a stink bug trapped and wedged in the door. The door would be coming off at that point. Get her done, son. Get her done, son. And nice and tight. Oh, maybe I need to get those bolts. I don't even know. This truck since I was a wee little lad. And on circuit boards at that point. Okay, let's get. I think it's safe to get this little piece right there on there. All right, so I think I brought a knife. Yeah, I forgot my other knife, so I bought this little box cutter knife. Hopefully this will defend me for the crazy bears out here. There it is. Key it again. There's that. Got the key in. Let's do that. Progress really quickly here. It's kind of scary. There we go. Stay. A good little piece of petroleum. Alright, time for a little puzzle game. A little aftermarket switch I had to buy, and well, didn't even fit right. Always buy OEM. If you're going to buy a window switch, buy the OEM. Extra plug here. If anyone knows what this plug does, I have no idea what it does. It doesn't fit into anywhere here. No home for this little plug. You'll dust it off. Why it takes me forever to do this, damn it. Alright, we're losing daylight fast. We gotta hurry this up. Might have made this mistake before. Just as I suspected. Gosh. Wrong freaking bolts. Now I gotta take these out. Oh, great. There it is, man. Woo! Oh, woe is me. I had to pull off the whole dang panel out again because I forgot to put this little piece behind the screen.
Yes, how it works in
I'd rather be in the wilderness right now. In the woods. That should do it. Now I gotta bolt it all back up again. Oh yeah, there it is, man. One side done, all accomplished. Let's get to the other side before we lose everything, daylight-wise. Yeah, I'm not going to do that, actually. Pull this up. Oh, come to mind, just grabbing my legs. Just got them on there, and I already scratched all of them, I guess. Okay, devoured by a bear or something. Wolves come out eventually out here sometime. Mauled by a bear. Tightened. Oh, what the? I'm gonna keep that one down on purpose because it was kind of a little bit up, but I can't adjust it because the one panel in there I super glued it shut. So yeah, we're not gonna be able to get to that. My, mi, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. You gotta be kidding me. Got it. I got it. I think I got it. Ow! Foot-pounds of torque. Give it about 1,000. There we go. That was probably a bit too tight. I gotta put it within this one panel, the little clip thing, lock it in place. There it is, if you can hear that. Sounds about right. Pack the petroleum in there. For this door panel. Ooh. As you can see, I've coated this all apart right here because it was crusting out. There. Wow. Jam it in there. A lot easier than all those freaking little clips on the Ram when I was putting the new mirrors. One clip here, you gotta unbolt, bolt. This one's just, push it in. There. Oh, man. Yeah, let's do it. Oh. Gosh, almost forgot the freaking plug again. Get on in there, you son of a. There we go. Oh, yeah. So you do have to get these? You didn't, but you definitely. All right, there. Got it. Oh, no. Get this on. And I miss all the old music that they used to play in the Kmart's. Losing daylight fast here. Good thing I saw where it went. Oh my. There it is. Their winter chicken dinner on that one. This is a little bit special. Okay, so this panel would always rattle so much on the inside of there. So I put this piece of foam under it to stop the rattle, and it took forever to actually find what it was, and that's what it was. But I'm going to replace it with this piece of paper instead because it's more natural. Alright, yeah, I think we're good. We're good on this side. Box is empty. We just got to get to the back because, yeah, then we're running out of lights. Alright, if you can see anything at all, well, I think we pack it up and just camp the night out here, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow because it's a bit too dark to see anything right now. Here's my paint code for the truck, and I should probably get like a rock of coal and possibly paint that this color. There's a little shine of the light onto the paint. That's what my truck paint is. And yeah, here's a free sample for you guys. I'll give it away for free if anyone wants it. That's what I'm freaking talking about there, man. Check out that truck right there. So I'll be honest, these parts were painted before, but it just wasn't up to par, and it's just not something people normally do. Before I had textured door handles, mirrors, tailgate latch, and a lot of other components. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Yeah, it was all black texture. I just had it all painted over because it was cheaper to do that, and I didn't know it would look so bad afterwards. It wasn't a good idea at all because it was so much darker. I might have made it on camera look a little bit better. Took off all the parts, sanded it and painted it. So all that paint that was on it had sanded off again, and then they sanded all the texture down smooth, and then they painted again, and now it actually matches the paint with all the parts that are metal and all the body panels. It actually matches it a lot better, and it's not just dark and rough. It's actually a very smooth finish on it now, kind of like the show trucks. Door handle gasket seals, all those were painted as well, so it fully matches. What a load difference it makes. It might be something that you don't really notice unless you own the truck, but I mean, after a while you just start to know those little differences that had to be taken care of. Man, it looks so much better now. Woo. Just look at these handles. When you go by, the reflection goes with it. Before, there was no reflection at all, and it just didn't look that good, but the smooth finish as well, it's just bread and butter right there. We got the gasket, as you can see around, it's looking good. Yeah, it just had to be taken care of. It's just like those people that get the chrome gas caps. I would have to do the same thing as well in those. And my wheels faded out, so they almost look color matched too, but I wouldn't go that far. I think that's a little bit too far, but man, I think we are at a point now, a good milestone with the truck that looks so much better than when it was all that texture finish. And as for all these little bed caps, I wasn't able to get all of them off, so I only painted that one. The texture was sanded down, and it was painted smooth as well. So there is some other things I want to get done to this truck. A good point in time. All right, off track. Spray painted this whole front end of the truck before, and you guys remember that, how that turned out. Really, it almost is like a new truck to me at this point. Else is driving electric trucks. I'm still gonna be driving the petroleumer. So if you look at my fender right here, I think these 33s are starting to tear it up. It's rubbing. And with that being said, I'm out.